I will talk about how can you enable call alert notifications on your Truecaller app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that with your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above your photo profile, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this in your profile. You go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on calls. When you just click on calls, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, you just keep going down here. So then when you keep going down, come here to call alert notifications, clicking this sign. Like you see, this color show for us, that's mean it's enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.